decided to throw my family and friends a pakka Mumbai style food feast. This is Bombay se aaya mera dost. Everything starts with a plan and a great work pack schedule. I cooked over 2 days, getting all of the food prep done, and I need a coffee. Lots and lots of coffee. Meat, veg, and more meat is being prepared. So what's on the menu? We're going to start with some potato twists or pakoras. This is just a modern twist on the traditional recipe. Bombay sandwich, one of my favorites. Ragra patties, and this recipe comes with my homemade green chutney as well as my date and tamarind chutney. And we cannot leave out some spicy and crispy koli vada prawns. And my guests can wash this down with some jaljeera. For the main, I'm going to serve railway mutton, keema gotala, dahi vada, ghar ki dal, Bombay chicken, and some tawa pulao. For dessert, I will keep it simple with some rose faluda. From the ragda patties to the Bombay chicken, everything is in full swing. My rose faluda is perfect as this can be made ahead and just topped with ice cream before serving. I saved some delicious chicken stock from previous recipes, and this is going to make a delicious tawa pulao. Dahi vadas are fried and then soaked in water, and when these are done, yogurt is poured over it. And let's not forget the tadka. I'm going to fry up some potato twists. These are basically potatoes that have been spiralized. I've added some onion and I'm going to fry this in my pakora batter. Next, I'm going to assemble a bunch of Bombay sandwiches. These are delicious. It's basically white bread that is slathered with butter. I'm going to add some chutney on top, as well as slices of boiled potato and tomato. Trust me, it's delicious. Just before my guests arrive, I will fry up some koli vada prawns. The troops have arrived, they are dressed to kill, and it's time to eat and enjoy the night. Time to serve the mains. And dessert. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings for Adventures. I hope you enjoyed all of these delicious recipes. There's a link at the end of this video to all of these recipes, as well as I'm going to leave a link in the description. Till I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.